What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub, man, coming at y'all with another video here. Y'all know I recently uploaded a video of me unboxing my massive Hippo XL122R. Trying to do a big build this year. Happy Saturday! Shout out to Team Audio Punisher #Tap. Man, I always get tongue tied when I mention that name, but it's Team Audio Punisher #Tap. Shout out to my man Tyler, Cody. Everybody's been hitting me up, seeing what's going on with the build, man. Basically, I'm just doing another update video here due to the fact that y'all see I got some wire in, Knukonceptz. Been messing with them for a little bit. Always buying their stuff off of eBay and whatnot. Been doing Knukonceptz lately, a lot of GP audio wire, stuff like that. So a lot of these companies I mess with because I know they send quality stuff. So I decided to get some cable from them, and I finally got it in today. And I got 25 feet of their oxygen-free copper cable. It should be 10 wire, because I think what I'm going to do with a lot of this here, Colossus Flex, Kandy, whatever. So it's just basically it's lime green, Knukonceptz wire. So I got this in today. This stuff got some heft to it, man. So, honestly, what I believe I'm going to do with this, I still got some Sky High lime green wire because I had my Drop and Hertz Zulu 15s with the neon green baskets. Obviously, I decided to go another route with having the massive subs, but I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and use the stuff that I do have. That's lime green. I'm going to go ahead and use that wire under the hood. I think I'm going to go ahead and use this wire under the hood as well. And get this zero gauge going. Let me get this out here. Stuff it's got a little heft to it. Not like that damn subwoofer, but it still got some heft to it, man. So let's see if we can get that grade A close up on the camera here. Maybe, maybe not. Yep, she focused on it. So y'all can see that. Zero gauge, 5100 strands, OFC. So y'all know when it comes down to me, man, all I mess with is oxygen-free copper. So got this in today, 25 feet worth of this cable. More than likely, this will be going under the hood with the Sky High car audio wire. Trying to make something good out of that. So just doing an update, kind of moving along with the channel. Got some more stuff in here, so anytime I can put an update on the channel, man, that's basically what I try to do. Now, if y'all see this big nice piece here, this is an A-Trend. It's a prefab enclosure, but it's an A-Trend. It's 1-inch thick. So that's the thing that turned me on to this. Thinking about hitting some guys up to get an enclosure made and whatnot, things like that, man. But I was like, at least, even if I don't end up using this enclosure, I want to see it. Y'all know me, I'll sell it in a heartbeat. So 1-inch thick MDF, trying to see what it looks like. It did go down pretty good as far as setting the sub in there. She fits perfectly fine. I think this enclosure, I want to say maybe it's 30-40 pounds on top of the additional 70 pounds for that subwoofer. So right now she's heavy as shit. Y'all see I got some fuse holders over there. Got a little bit of car audio stack in the background over there, man. But just kind of getting a look at the wire that I got here, and also this it's a carbon fiber fascia on this. I don't know, like the best way to explain. All I know is it's an A-Trend box. Y'all can go take a look at it online. Like I said, it is a prefab enclosure, but the thing that got me on it, like I said, it's 1-inch thick. So even if I don't end up using it, I'll sell it. So worst case scenario, at least I did get to take a look at it, try to get it a better perspective of looking at something in person. Sometimes we look at stuff online and it's like, all right, man, maybe it's worth it, maybe not. But you can't really put a good review on something until you get your own hands on it. So I got my own hands on it. Like I said, it is 1-inch thick. It seems to be real sturdy. Obviously, if I decide to use it, I'm going to do my own upgrades to it and whatnot, things like that. But I know it's tuned to 41 hertz. A lot of y'all like to get low. I'm trying to have like a wide spectrum of where I want to go as far as the hertz that I'm trying to play this year. I don't think I'm gonna go lower than 30 hertz. But like I said, at the end of the day, I'll see if this enclosure is going to be worth trying to use. If not, obviously I'll sell it quick. Y'all know how I do, man. I'll mess around, buy something one day and sell it the next. But just pretty much doing an update on the channel. Just looking at this box here. It's an A-Tran box, BP12DV, I think, something like that is the model number. I like the way it's got this front fascia on here with the carbon fiber look. Like I said, just doing an update since I got some oxygen-free copper from Knukonceptz. And y'all see the fuse holders back there, man. We got the sky high stuff going. I'm almost at 500 subscribers. So y'all know when I get to number 500, man, I'll be sending this out to somebody. So stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, share the videos, hit the notification bell so anytime I upload something, you'll be the first to see it. And still got the giveaway going. We going, was it fuse holder at number 500? I think the dual inputs for 700, something like that. And we're still doing the kicker 125.2 at 1,001 subscribers, man. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, share the video. Like I said, by the time we get to the 1,001 subscribers, I'll either hit Big D Wiz up. I might send an amp out to him and see if we can do some type of collabo. Or if that doesn't work out, I'll probably just get like that number generator, and whoever's, I guess whatever name, or I don't know, what your name or email, whatever pops up, I'll be getting that sent out to that person, man. So stay tuned to the channel. Like I said, there'll be a lot more updates coming soon. Y'all see the brand new sub. She just need a buddy here sooner or later. Like I said, that'll be coming sooner or later. Might wait on Black Friday, but I might get it sooner. Right now I'm shopping. That's the best way I can put it, man. I'm shopping and grabbing stuff, and kind of in a mad scientist mood, just grabbing stuff and putting it together, man. So if y'all have any questions, concerns, y'all know the deal, man. Hit me up. I always try to hit y'all back, man. It's your boy Young Dub. Stay tuned for the giveaway. That stuff will be coming up real soon, man. It's your boy Young Dub, man. I'm out.